What's up mga parents? Another day, another vlog. This is Biherang Bong and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year! And for today's video mga parents, andito na naman tayo sa Cebu City, the Queen City of the South. And yun nga mga parents, kakatapos lang ng sinulog. Today is January 25, 2026. Viva Pete Senior, and we are back here in Cebu City. So mga parents, this is actually my first vlog, travel vlog, hotel vlog in my YouTube channel. But yun nga, but anyway mga parts, if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Click that subscribe button and hit that bell icon para lang kang updated whenever I upload new videos. Magsisimula na ulit tayo mga parts maging active sa pagbablog. And yun nga, this is our first hotel vlog. We are here in Citadine, Cebu City. So if you are looking for a place to stay here in Cebu, I only booked this in Agoda mga parts for only 4,000 pesos. And super natuwa ako. And if you're looking for a hotel, very good location and very good amenities with breakfast for two, this hotel might be for you. So watch this video until the end. Yun. And explore na din natin mga parts after nung ating hotel vlog na ipapakita ko sa inyo yung other things to do, place to eat here in Cebu City. So without further ado mga parts, let's go explore na natin ang Citadines and Cebu. Let's go mga parts! So, syempre mga parts, we will have a detailed room tour. My room is 1507. So, here is the room. So, mga parts, itong Citadines Hotel or all Citadines Hotel is apartment type. So, pwede siyang short-term stay, pwede rin siyang long-term stay. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo sa ating room tour, marami siyang mga features, marami siyang mga pwede nyong gamitin, excuse me. So, let's start with the kitchen. So, here in the kitchen, mga parts, you can see, meron na dito agad na 2-door refrigerator. So, yan. If ever may mga food kayo, malaki yung ref. May Dunkin Donut there. Meron na din ditong lutuan or yung mga utensils and kitchenware. Ayan, no? So, dito mga parts, may mga plates, they even have glass wine, yan, bowl. And over here, meron siyang food range. Pag magluluto kayo, and sa taas naman yan is, wala na yan. Oh, there's a switch. And meron na ditong water kettle. Ang ganda ng kitchen niya mga parts. Parang kitchen yan sa aking condo. And then, coffee mug, water kettle, induction. So, pwede nga magluto. And of course, meron din sila ditong panghugas ng plato. And mga parts, what's good about Citadines is they have water and half container. Basta malaki na yung tubig nyo. Meron din silang, ayan na, patawels. And over here, mga parts is, yan, o diba? Actually, hindi na kayo maghahanap ng mga utensils. They already have it here. Dito naman is, ayan, scissor, knife, and chopping board, and placemats. Here naman is, wala naman dyan. Okay, so yan. And then, after the kitchen, mga parts, let's go next, agad-agad dito sa kanilang washroom. So, sa washroom, ito lang mga parts, napansin ko lang, parang for disabled ata tong room ko. But anyway, it's also good that they have room for the disabled. May sabitan dito. And then, we have shower over here. Hot and cold. Mga parts, meron na din silang argan na shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, and shower curtain. They have bath towels for two. Siyempre, nandiyan toilet bowl. And then, here is the vanity mirror, which I like because meron siyang pailaw dyan. So, pwede mga skincare natin dyan. It also comes with dental kit and other toiletries, shower cup, and here we go. argan. Meron din ditong hand and body lotion. So, that's it for the washroom. Malaki din siya mga parts, oh. Yan. So, next naman is the bedroom. So, mga parts, papunta dito sa bedroom, meron silang malaking whole body size mirror over here. So, pwede kayong outfit check and TikTok. So, ang ganda talaga mga parts. I like it here. And over here naman mga parts, sabi ko nga, kompleto na sila. So, meron din silang microwave. And over here, meron din ditong, ay wala, pwede na siyang space for storage. Ito naman is for if nagpe-prep kayo, pag magluluto kayo, pwede dyan. And here is the kitchenware like casserole. And yan, may small, medium, and large. Okay? And ito na yung bedroom mga parts. They have a, by the way mga parts, my room is a executive studio. So it comes with I think this is a queen size bed. Malaki naman siya. So magulo na ito mga parts kasi natulog na ako, tinesting na natin. And super comfy ng kanilang bed. Ayan no, may duvet. Meron kanyang accent na. Ayan yung kanyang theme. May ilaw din on the side like this one. Reading lights. Ayan. And of course, tissue, telephone over there. And what I like also about this room is malaking working table. And then another mirror over here. Meron ditong study light or lamp. Ang daming socket. May USB port na din. So, hindi na rin mahirapan. This is a non-smoking room. Meron silang in-offer na mga parts. So, spa. Room service. And then over here is a big, this is I think a 40 inches siguro tong table. But the only thing that I don't like is that, mga parts, it's not a smart TV. So, hindi tayo mapag-YouTube, hindi tayo mapag-Netflix. So, dyan. And then, yun lang siguro yung need for improvement. But, of course, they also have here a Bluetooth speaker, pa hindi ko pa siya nagamit. Alarm and all. And then, yung light. Mga parts, laki ng space. So, mahuli yung mga gamit ko. Laki ng space over here. Parang pwede pa nga isang bed dito. But, since mag-isa lang tayo, malaking space, they have a table over here and a couch over here. Look how big the space is. So, yun mga parts, if you're looking for a very, very good and a very spacious room, this room might be the one for you. And mga parts, eto naman, ang kanilang drawer. Laki din, mga parts. Over here, they have actually an extra pillow. And then, ang maganda mga parts, hindi na rin kayo manghihiram ng plancha. Meron na din dito sampayan ng mga damit. Merong ironing board. This is a laundry bag. May safe, vault para sa mga importanteng gamit. And mga parts, they have a hair dryer. Perfect. Ay, ano ba to? Ang dami pa rin palang drawer nga dito eh. So, madami kayong space to keep your things. Lalo na kung matagal yung stay nyo for months or for weeks. Dito din mga parts, they have pala another extra pillow over here. And, yan. And then, may mga hanger na din. Yan. And of course, they have sleepers and hamper. Yan. And mga parts, if you will be asking kung ano yung view ko, this is my room view. Look at that. I can see here, from here, is the bay. Nandun na yung Mactan. So, malapit na din to sa ibang mga tourist attractions actually mga parts, which later on, which by the way mga parts, abangan nyo kasi mayroon akong pupuntahan later, which is the Cebu Ocean Park, the largest aquarium or aquanarium or oceanarium, basta something like that. So watch mo yan sa aking YouTube channel. But anyway, ayan siya. This is the swimming pool. I can see it from here, and that is yung nandun yung tops, and yeah. Ayun, mga parts. So, mga parts, if you are looking for a hotel in Cebu, I can highly, highly recommend this hotel and this room for you. By the way, mga parts, I have a lot of Citadines hotel vlog. I have a Citadines review in Manila Bay, Roses and QC, Makati, and yeah, this one, I think. So, makukompleto ka ata yung Citadines. So, yun. And now naman mga parts, baba naman tayo because I will go to the gym and tingnan natin kung ano yung mga amenities that you can enjoy here in Citadines, Cebu City. Let's go! So mga parts, yung room nila is from 11 to 22nd. Function room is 10. 9 is the reception, lounge, pool, gym, laundry net, and other stuff. So they have a restaurant in the ground floor, and they have parking in the basement. So yung may mga kotse, mga parts, pwede magdala ng kotse. So mga parts, this is the 9th floor, and this is their lobby. Yay! Reception. So dyan yung checking in. Yeah. And now, let's go to the gym. Dito yung lounge. They have a computer over here and things over here. Ito. And ayan. And nandito na yung pool, mga parts. Wow! So, dito yung swimming pool nila, mga parts. And I think dito din yung gym nila. Wow! So, dito mayroon ditong kiddie pool. And I think mayroon din ditong infinity. Ay, ang ganda ng swimming pool nila, mga parts. There. Sa 9th floor. Wala nag-swimming. It's very, very early in the morning. And dito yung gym. May mga daybed din dito. Ay, may bar din dito, mga parts, ha? And meron din siyang lounge and daybed. So, the gym is here. Wow! Nice! So, yung mga fitness freak, mga parts, pwede kayo dito. They have dumbbells. They have here the ano bang tawag natin dito, mga parts? And meron din silang treadmill, bike, and weights. Yeah, naganda mga parts. So, let's go and let's work out. Mga parts, tapos na tayo mag-breakfast. Ay, mag-gym. And now we'll go to, good morning, we'll go to the breakfast area, which is here at Abaca Baking Company. It's a pack. So mga parents, this is the breakfast buffet. Wow. So they have avocado and drop, pancake, eggs, bacon, corned beef and sausage. We just pancit, rice, breads. Oh, they have a lot of breads. Croissant here, salad, muffins, loaf, fruits, cereals, and here they have water and coffee. Ang daming options, mga parts. So, let's go and let's eat. Mga parts, we're done with the breakfast. And there's also a coffee shop over here, which is Abaca Baking Company sa baba din. So if you want some privacy and coffee, they also have here. So same lang naman yung mga pastry sa breakfast. And here, but Abaca is known for their breads and pastries. So also a must try when you go to Cebu. Kahit hindi kayo mag-Cebu sa Citadines, maraming mga Abaca Baking Company. Okay. So, mga Mga parts, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ito yung labas ng Citadines. Ayan siya, sa taas. And dito din yung baseline. And then yung mall. So, pag nag-grab kayo or if you have cars, ito yung street na to. Which is, ano ang street to eh? Yeah, but usable naman and grab naman pwede. So, dyan yung parking papunta. And ito naman yung drop-off point nyo. Ayun, one seat. Juan Ausmeño Street pala to. So, there. Over there. So, andyan yung mall. And dito yung Abaca Baking Company. Andyan din yung ground floor. By the way, mga parts, nakalimutan ko din pakita sa inyo just in case kailangan nyo ng pera. Meron din ditong ATM. So, kaya good job talaga dito sa Citadines. Meron silang RCBC and BPI ATM. So, you can withdraw if you need cash. So, now, let's go back to our room to freshen up. So mga parts, nakalimutan ko lang ipakita sa inyo pala kanina. Meron din ditong laundry net. Over here. Here. And kasi nga meron dito long stay. So meron dito mga laundry machine. So operating hours is 6 to 10. And syempre may bayad din mga parts. So mga parts, ngayon naman ay bababa tayo for dinner kasi mayroon ding mga kainin sa baba. So tingnan natin mga parts kung ano yung pwede nyong ma-check dito sa Citadines Cebu City or sa baseline. Let's go! So mga parts, pagbabaan dito na yung Abaca Baking and dyan din yung venue ng breakfast. And meron dito. Ay sarado na yung thirsty over there. Meron din potato corner pero sarado na din. Siguro may time lang. And the Lebanon Company, shawarma. Ay, ang dami dito pala mga kainan mga parts. Alam ko may gym din dito eh. Kasi ito yung baseline na center. So ayan. Cebu Pizza. Second floor. Ay, may Gold's din pala dito. And supermarket. So, shawarma siya. Ito is Pusaku. Ang dami na. Japanese restaurant natin. Meron din ditong pick-up coffee. Yan natin ito mga parts. Ang ganda mga parts, pag doon pala kayo naka-check-in kasi may katabi ni Moro. And this is Cloud9 dessert. Oh, so nice. Tapos meron din dito mga parts na sunburst. So parang gusto ko ng sunburst mga parts kasi dito lang meron yan sa Cebu. Fried chicken. Masarap din yan. Ayan, may mga din dito lounges. Ayan, sunburst mga parts. Favorite ko din yan. Check natin dito kung mayroong ibang makakainan. Pag wala, dyan tayo mag-dinner sa sunburst. Kasi nung tumira ako dito sa Cebu, favorite ko yan. Oh, meron itong say cheese. Cheese. Saffron. Ay, this is Indian cuisine. Oh my God, may mall nga dito. Ayan. So, check natin kung ano pa yung meron dito. So, by the way mga pards, marami akong hotel vlogs dito sa Cebu. Please check out my YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. O, yun mga restaurant po na meron dito. So, this is local. Ito. Kasi meron dito. Ito parang healthy. Healthy. Cebu Pizza Fusion. There. Stone and Pebble. Ay, mga parts, ang maganda. Meron din ditong convenience store. sa baba ng ay sarado na to. So baka doon na lang tayo mga par sa Sunburst because I love Sunburst. May 7-Eleven. So if may nakalimutan kayo then pwede kayong bumili dito sa 7-Eleven na mga kailangan. That's nice. So yun mga parents, balik tayo sa Sunburst at kumain tayo. Meron ding second floor pero baka ano na yun, hindi na siya mga kainan. So yeah, let's go mga parents. So mga parents, nandito na tayo sa Sunburst, the taste that sticks. My favorite fried chicken here in Cebu. So yung famous na lang mga parents is yung ribkill. Ma'am, pa-add na lang ako ng yung calamansi with honey.
Hot or cold?
Hot po.
Hot.
Thank you. And then, madami silang option ng chicken. But, ito yung pinaka best seller nila, yung ribkill. Yung ribkill is 328 rupees yun. And then, madami din sila. Meron din silang mga seafoods, classics, and everything else. Ang dami. So, medyo affordable siya mga parts compared sa other restaurants. So, Sunburst. Marami tong branches din dito sa Cebu. Yeah. There. So, let's eat. Ito na mga parts. My favorite fried chicken in Cebu. Ribkill with potatoes on the side, coleslaw, and rice. So, syempre, gawa tayo ng sausaw. Yeah. Worcestershire ketchup and hot sauce. Let's eat mga parts. So mga parts, nagutom tayo. And nandito tayo ngayon sa baba ng Citadines. May restaurant dito ni Husaku. This is a Japanese restaurant and I think madami kumakain dito. Tingnan natin kung masarap. Ito yung menu nila mga parts. Yeah. So actually, parang nakita ko sa IEG, Husaku tray. So parang originally, parang mga trays ata yung siniserve nila. Kasi based sa history, ayan, they started noong 2020 on the height of the pandemic. So meron silang baked sushi, sushi roll. So mga trays nga siya. Pero meron din namang solo. Like they also have Inari sushi, but hindi ako kumakain ng sushi. So, nag-order ako ng yung bestseller daw nila, yung mga may heart. So, ibinihon, which is beef gyudon, tamago, fried egg, rice bowl. So, ang ganda dito sa Citadines mga person, dami kayong options to eat. They also have desserts. Yung may mga heart ata yung bestseller. And of course, they have coffee and desserts again. So, tingnan natin mga parts if masarap dito sa Husaku Trays. Check nyo yan. Dito lang yun sa base line sa Citadines. So here na mga parts ang in-order ko na beef gyudon with ebi with egg here at Husaku Trays. Tikman natin mga parts. This is 400 pesos. So, tikman natin if talagang masarap. Kasi ang dami kumakain dito mga parts. Kahit ngayon na medyo patay na oras. So, this is my lunch actually. Oh my God. Sarap. Sarap. Sarap ng beef. Ngayon naman, tikman natin tong ebi. Kasi dalawa siya. Beef and eggs. Musok pa. Mga persang sarap. At saka for the price, mura siya, 400 pesos. So, if you are here in Cebu and gusto niyo ng something unique, parang fusion kasi sa Japanese, pero more parang minimalist. Something, hindi ko siya ma-describe mga parts, pero masarap. Try eating here at Hosuka Place. Alam ko dalawa yung branch nito. Meron dito sa baseline. Then meron din, I think, somewhere in... may isa pa basta yun. Pero buti na lang meron dito. Nakikita ko to sa TikTok na masarap daw. Magandang review. So finally, I got to taste it. And ang sarap. So, there you have it mga parts. Tapos na naman na ating isang quick vlog featuring itong Cebu City, especially itong Citadine Cebu City. And so far mga parts, I can highly recommend this hotel for you. Number one, yung location niya, it's very accessible to the city. Hindi naman siya center, pero malapit lang siya it's very near Puente Circle or Puente Osmeña, which is, I think, the center of Cebu. So if you're going to tour around Cebu City, like Magellan's Cross, the Fort, San Pedro, etc., it's very, very near. And Grab is very accessible. It's if you will be bringing a car, may parking and usable naman around the city. Also, yung location nga, it has a lot of dining options sa baba. May mga kainan, may ATM, may gym, and yeah, and may convenience store. Tapos, in terms of the amenities mga parts, yung swimming pool, very nice, o infinity. They have a gym, laundry net, yung lobby okay din, and also, etong mismong room. So far mga parts, ang laki niya, it has a complete things that you will be needing if you will be staying for short term or especially for long term. Nandito na lahat ng kailangan nyo. And ang laki din ng bed, comfy naman, nakatulog naman ako. Malakas yung aircon, malaki yung CR, malaki yung wardrobe. Ang strength talaga niya, it's very, very huge yung room niya. And yung price ng mga parts, as mentioned, I booked this in Agoda at 4,000, only 4,000 pesos for 2 overnight with complimentary breakfast. So yun mga parts, I think very, very sweet na yan. And yung service so far, okay naman. Hindi ko naman siya masyadong ma-rate because wala naman ako masyadong encounter, but I think okay din naman sila. And then, yun mga parts. And if naghahanap kayo ng hotel, marami dito sa Cebu, but I can highly recommend this if you have the budget. But mga parts, I also have a lot of Citadines vlog all over the Philippines. Mayroon ako Manila Bay, Roses, and Makati, and this one. So I think hindi ko na lang napuntahan is yung sa Ortigas. And parts, I hope ay nagkaroon kayo ng idea kung saan kayo pwede magstay dito sa Cebu and kung ano yung mga pwede nyong gawin, pwede nyong kainan. And also, I have a lot of vlogs also, different hotels here in Cebu. So check out that in my YouTube channel. And if you like this video mga parts, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below if you have additional questions. And please follow me on my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Also at Biherenbong. So now naman mga parts, we're going to Cebu Ocean Adventure. If you are also interested, sundan mo ang aking channel and check that out. So, tour natin ang Cebu Ocean Adventure 1. It is the largest oceanarium in the Philippines. So, let's go and enjoy Cebu. Let's go mga parts. Bye! Stay safe and healthy!